Hello everyone, good morning. Today let's talk about the sounds of TH. For example, Jesus Christ is the Lord. We use the sound TH when we say the Lord. The. Jesus Christ is the Lord. And for example, God's been with you. With, we use the th with. Okay, so in other words about bath, Thursday, think, thought. Okay, in English there are lots of sounds with th. Okay, cloth. Okay, it's very important to know about that. And if you have any questions, so send me a video by my channel, Seja Top Fala Inglês, okay? And I'm available to answer, okay? And I'm available to answer and to send videos, okay? Have a good day. God bless you. God bless everyone, okay? Have a good day. Have a good Thursday and good week. God bless you.